Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn SQL Roadmap. Start with basics. Master select, where, join, group by, and order by, then practice with small datasets daily to build fluency and speed. Progress to advanced topics like indexing, transactions, and normalization while building projects that use real data. Aim to study consistently for short, focused sessions and review concepts with quizzes and code challenges. Share your progress and ask questions in comments. Build a solid foundation by mastering data types, null behavior, and schema basics before diving deeper into queries. Focus on CRUD operations and write clear select statements with where clauses and join. Use sandboxes, sample databases, or simple projects to run queries and inspect results immediately. Track common mistakes and revisit concepts in short sessions to reinforce learning. Gradually increase complexity and combine skills in small real-world tasks. Move into advanced territory by studying indexing strategies, query planning, and performance tuning to make queries fast and reliable. Learn transactions, isolation levels, and how to maintain consistency in concurrent environments. Build real projects that include ETL pipelines, analytics queries, and reporting dashboards to apply theory. Use profiling tools to find bottlenecks and refactor queries. Keep a project portfolio to demonstrate skills and track measurable improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.